How's it? It's Monday, one day before I go hunting, and I thought I'll whip out these stag heads that we got this raw and whiten them up. So this is the big near 250 kg 10 pointer, biggest deer I've ever seen, managed to get it as well. Then this is the 12 pointer that we got in the raw, this raw, and this is 8 pointer that we got in the raw also. This went 30 something, 32 inches, this is about 30, and then this is like a little bit more, nearly 35 I think. So yep, sweet. How's it? It's Tuesday, 8:40 AM, and we're just about to sight the gun in. We got here at 5, spotted a mob of 13 reds, 4 fallow, and then a couple other solo reds. So it's been a bloody good start already. Later on we're going to go try and shoot some goats, as the farm wants some cowed backs, so we'll go do that. But first, got to sight the gun in. She's shooting high, so do that. Here is where I shot my 10 pointer in August this year, which is actually with the cameraman right now, and we shot it here 290 meters with 243. It's right on the knob over there, so yeah, she brings back good memories. Alright, sweet. Alright, first deer of the trip. Hind and a stag that's still in hard antler.